Want to cook something simple, hearty, and incredibly delicious? Then this dish is perfect for you. Let's cook together. Take 1 onion, cut it in half, then slice each half into thin strips lengthwise. Next, take 1 bell pepper. Cut off the top, remove the seeds, and slice it lengthwise into wedges, then into smaller pieces. Now, let's move on to the tomatoes. You'll need 2 large tomatoes. Dice them into small cubes and set aside. Heat a frying pan and add a bit of vegetable oil. Let it heat up. Add the onions to the pan first, followed by the bell pepper. Stir well and sauté for a couple of minutes. Next, add 600 grams of ground meat to the vegetables. Mix thoroughly and continue to fry over low heat. Once the meat is slightly browned, add the diced tomatoes, season with salt to taste, and mix everything well. Sauté for a few more minutes. Add about 100 milliliters of water, reduce the heat to low, and cover the pan. Let it simmer. While the meat mixture is cooking, prepare the pasta. In a small pot, pour 1 liter of water, add 1 teaspoon of salt, and bring the water to a boil. Add 250 grams of pasta and cook until done, following the time indicated on the package. Now, let's prepare the sauce. Take 1 leek and slice it into rings. Melt 40 grams of butter in a heated pan, add the leek, and sauté, stirring occasionally. Then add a bit of flour, mix well to avoid lumps, and gradually pour in 500 milliliters of milk, stirring constantly. The sauce should be smooth. When the pasta is cooked, remove the pot from the heat and drain the water. In a large pot, mix the pasta with the creamy milk sauce. Let's assemble the dish. Take 3 glass baking dishes. Layer the pasta with sauce on the bottom. Next, add a layer of the meat and vegetable mixture. Then, add another layer of pasta. Now, take 100 grams of mozzarella cheese, slice it into thin pieces, and place them on top of each dish. Repeat the process for each portion. Place all 3 dishes on a baking tray and bake in a preheated oven until golden brown. Look how appetizing this looks. The aroma is simply amazing. Try it, enjoy, and delight your loved ones. Bon appétit! Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss new videos.